Hey everybody, just a few notations about this 23 GMC 2500 HD 6.6. Look how easy the plugs are to get to. Right there. Both sides. Lots of room. You want to jump the battery? There's a place to jump the battery, and got your ground post. Everything's pretty easy to get to here. This thing's got 7,800 miles on it now. I got it in I think January. Middle of January. It's now April 8th, 23. And also, this thing's so easy to change the oil. You don't even need to jack it up. 9/16 plug. It also takes a star. Also, and the front end's got grease fittings on it, which is great. It's got the upper and lower. It's got the idler arm. It's got the tie rod ends. Drive shafts don't have any grease fittings. This has got front wheel drive, or 4-wheel drive. So far it's been good. It don't get very good gas mileage though. Pulled a trailer 3 or 4 times, 3 times to Knoxville back from Florida, and the best I could get was like 13. Around town it's 12, 13, something like that. But it takes a regular gas. So anyway, that's it. Thanks a lot for watching. Catch you later.